Hey, Josh. I know you were looking for a ladder, but I thought I'd give my 2 cents worth. I use this little tool to clean my gutters, and I use a ladder too. This is a tool that fits on two extenders for a pressure washer. There's one extender, then this one, and it sits right down in the gutter, shoots water out of both ends in a swirling motion, not a straight jet, so it gets the gutters entirely clean and at high pressure. You can pick them up at Home Depot for, I don't know, 20 bucks. I've had this for years, so I don't really know what the going cost is right now. But it's worth it if you have a pressure washer, and if you don't have a pressure washer, they're worth it for 300 bucks. They're definitely worth the money that you pay for them and then some. So, anyway, so I thought I'd share that with you. All right, have a good week.